Hello Daniel, what's up? Come here for a quick one. Have you ever cheated in a relationship?
Oh no. Why would
Are you sure?
do that? No.
Would you do it if you get the chance?
No, I wouldn't.
Why wouldn't you?
No, because I love my girl. I can't just do that.
Are you saying it for the cameras or
oh,
for
no.
real? Hello Christine.
Hi.
Hi. Christine, this is a quick one. Have you cheated in a relationship before?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why did you have to think or stop for a second before you answer?
It depends on your definition for cheating.
Okay, what's your definition for cheating?
Fuck, man!
If you flirting with people while you know you have a boyfriend.
That's cheating.
That's cheating, you know?
Have you done that
that
before?
is really the definition, then I have.
You have? Wow. Did you regret? Was it nice?
I wasn't.
So you regret. Did you need that flirting or something else? Or was just flirting?
I was just flirting.
Just flirting, nothing else. Are you sure?
Nothing else.
I said it's not for the cameras.
Oh no.
Are you sure? Hey, this is your last time.
Oh no.
Hello, Gator. Come here for a quick one.
Yo, talk to me, baby.
What's up, baby?
I'm good.
Have you cheated in a relationship before?
Have I cheated?
Yes.
Yeah, that was in class 2.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Class 2 relationship, they said nothing. No. I'm talking about now. Now that's your. Have you cheated in a relationship before?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm
Is it
very
because you haven't gotten the chance? Or because
The
you don't know
chance?
where
Oh no, I've had the chance like numerous times, but I know what I have. So.
you know you have? So you didn't take the chance. Are you sure this is not for the cameras?
We'll see.
Hello, dear.
Hi, it's not me.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sophie, what's up?
Cool.
Quick one. Have you cheated in a relationship before?
No, I
Are
haven't.
you sure?
Yeah.
Are you
very
sure? Would you do it if you get a chance?
No.
Are you sure? Because
It's not worth it.
It's not worth it. Hey, that means you like your boy.
Yeah.
You love him, baby. You love him, baby.
Oh, a lot.
Are you sure not for the cameras? Are you sure? Hey, this is a laughter. Hello, dear. What's your name? Roda, quick one. Have you cheated in a relationship before?
Oh no.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm about to. Is it that you haven't got a chance or want to get a chance? You do. Will you do it if you get a chance? Will you do it if you get a chance?
Obawo, Obaye, Oba femini, Obanya, Omusibacho. Hey, Bakuda, this is the man food. Obawo, So, bro, what you doing?
I'm just frying some samosa, easy.
Yeah.
I'll do it. I'll do it with style.
Yo! Hey, this is Boys Show.
Gomoa Wonderland. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are here at Gomoa Wonderland. Yeah, my old school mates and I decided to come here and have some fun. So stay tuned, I'll be bringing you all the fun and the juice that's going to happen here. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share with your friends. This is Behind the Veil. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you are.
You
Please fine. You cannot eat much. Why is this not eating?
Do you open the eyes? The high shirt, the real size, no.
It's vlogging now.
Oh no, this one is not.
They came with vlogging now, so for
Hey, so why are those going to drink that clown? Whether this is for you? This is mine.
Okay, guys, so all this you see here is from Big J. Big J watching. Big J foods.
Big J.
Big J babes. Big J babes everywhere. Big J babes. Big J boys. So yeah, chicken, samosa, banku, tilapia, fried rice.
I guess I'm done all. I'm
Big
proud of
J.
you.
Yeah. You have a chef. You have a chef. You have a chef. You have a chef, man. Peace out.
Oh, yes, I'm recording.
Yeah, I thought as much. Let's see what Beaches can do. Let's see what Daniel can do. I know Daniel's throwing his away. I said it. I said it. Beaches, what happened to yours? Did it just fly away? What?
So much fun going on here. We're out here, we're having fun. The guy who hasn't cheated before, say hi.
That's me. I don't cheat.
Welcome to Gomoa Wonderland, where there's so much fun, so much to do here.
Why do I play so hard like that?
Say hi. Serena Williams in the making. Say hi. Serena Williams in the making. Say hi.
Right now you won and you lost.
Do you stop?
Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Christine.
Christine. And
She's here
Michael.
with
I think you
Gator.
look good.
Don't call me Michael. I'm Gator.
Sorry, Gator. I think you look
Yeah,
good.
Gator.
Sophie, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ready? Don't disgrace me, Sophie.
No, don't hold that place.
What should I hold?
Sophie.
Let me show you. Like this. I don't know if you can hold it like this anyhow.
Sophie, I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's. Oh.
Yes, that's what girl, man. Show them. Josina.
Somebody got my class.
Show them.
Hey, I'm not dancing.
Show them. Show them.
Somebody got my class. Serena.
Okay. So out of 10 shots, you had 3. Yeah? My son, come for some powers. My son. Hey. My son, come for some powers. Yes.
Hey, go.
Let's do this.
Hey, go.
Hey, wait. Let's do this. Yo! There he comes! Ah! My son, don't worry. Make daddy proud. Hey! 2. Relax. Hey! Hey, do you need? Hey, do you need breast milk? Hey, Olusa Ebegano. Hey, Bo. Hey, Jenny and Yono.
I don't need no questions. I don't need no questions. I don't need no recipe. Ooh, I'm looking fresh, from my stocks on deck. Yeah, I'm a fashionista, I'm like a Salman Kati.
I'm from back in the days. I should be changed. I'm so loud, I can't feel my face. So far, boy, my big face. No, I am not. I am fake. I feel my juice, real niggas coming. All my niggas rich, so we compensate. All my niggas rich, so we compensate. I said, all my niggas rich, so we compensate. We talk about things I ain't have to hate. The hard it is. Am I a babe? You find it on the high, I don't like the place. You find it on the high, I don't like the place. The only high is skydive, which I have it is. High is skydive, which I have it is. Yes, what's up? Champagne for the pain, if you know what I'm saying. The hands for the Lord, I've been in no pain. Every day we make money. All you do is talk money. When you don't see me get them, I will still and play. Back to the 90s, back to the villages, back to the waddies, back to the
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. It's another day. The fun continues. Yay.
Okay, good morning, guys. So I'm with the other badge. They did a turn. They're in a turn, yeah. What's up, boy? It's a beautiful morning in the Central region. Say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Yeah. So it's been raining, it's been raining. Crazy.
Oh boy.
It's been raining.
Are you acting gentle on camera?
Okay. So we are going for the boat ride in. I just had to. What's up?
My name is.
But okay, she's your friend on Snap.
No, we actually went to school together.
I'm not joking, I'm a guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know ye me lonely. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey low key, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Eke, adie koko bia, intose koko, moko ye koko, mala ye koko, tunlale koko. Edo!
Are you scared?
Oh no, why would I be scared? I'm not.
Hello,
not in a
dear.
horror
Are you
movie.
scared?
No.
Are you sure? Are you scared?
Yeah, I need a lady. I need to hold
I'm really scared. Like,
Are you?
Group sex. We're about to have it here.
Are you serious right now?
It's a problem on the bank.
Oh, ah.
How can you
my
know?
ass?
It's not cowboy.
Where would they go?
Is that pond?
On the beach.
This pond or crocodile pond.
They said this is a what? When anyone comes.
Hi baby, are you scared?
What's the idea?
Are you scared?
Oh no, not at all.
3, 2, 1, we go! Come on! Really?
Oh, we are serious.
Oh yes.
But like a baby snake. Hey.
Chama, say peace. Chama.
Everybody say Gomoa!
So, it was a fun trip.
Yes, it
It was a
was.
fun trip.
Yes, it
It was a
was.
fun trip, but everything has an ending, yes.
Of course. So we'll see you guys in our next video. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
And don't forget to share with your friends.
Yeah, we need to
Get
do
an
that.
IG behind the veil as well.
Yo,
Yo,
peace.
peace out.